Hi guys, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If you guys want to see my chit chat get ready with me where I do this to my face, then just keep on watching. Also, I don't really think I have to mention this, but I do have a different hairstyle going on. I hope you guys like it. I needed the change. Trust, girl, trust. So if you guys want to see how I get this look, then just keep on watching.
That's good.
So, first and foremost, yes, I got bangs. Best decision I ever made. Also, yes, I'm breaking out, and I will show you guys how I get through breakouts and what I do when I apply makeup when I have a breakout. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna split these babies up. There we go. Do I look dumb? May, probably, but it's for the video. I'm really sad that I can't like have music in the background because copyright reasons. So that sucks, but we're just gonna keep going. You're watching this with music in the background, so lucky you. So I'm gonna first start off with priming my eyelids. I like to do my eyes before I do my face. So I'm using Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer potion. I literally am obsessed with this primer potion, seriously, like it's so good. I am going to first start off with my Modern Renaissance palette. Literally love this palette so much. I use it like literally every single day. I've been doing these like shimmery eyeshadows because I've been really inspired by the Chocolate Bar palette. I'm gonna be taking Buon Fresco from the Modern Renaissance palette, which is just like this like lilac-y purple toned down color. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just going to apply this into the crease. This is gonna be my transition shade. Life has been really crazy for me lately. A lot of change has happened in my life recently, and clearly my hair is a result out of a lot of the crazy changes that I've been having. But I'm like really happy and I'm really excited about like this next like phase in my life and this next journey that I'm gonna have. And honestly, like I don't regret anything. I think it's important to not regret things because you are the person you are today because of all of the things in your life that happened to you, whether good or whether bad. It's all for the benefit of who you are now. Just allow those things to help you grow instead of hinder you from being a good person. I'm going to then put in a crease shade. Cocoa Truffle is the color that I'm going to be using. I don't know if it's focusing, I can't really see. I'm using this one right there. Ooh, hello, welcome back. So I'm going to use this in my outer crease. Wow, I'm really botching this eyeshadow up already. That's great. It's so great. I've been really focusing on myself, the things that I want out of life. I feel like every waking moment of your life, you have the opportunity to like make your perfect life for yourself. You have every opportunity to be that person that you want to be. You have every opportunity to make the things in your life happen the way that you want them to happen. Like, you have full control of your life, even if there's surrounding circumstances that might not attribute to that. You still have full authority of what happens in your life. I have this eyeshadow brush that actually broke, and I could just easily just glue it back onto the handle, but I just haven't done it, so this is a little not cute, but it still works, so we're good. I'm going to use Love and Cocoa, which is a darker pink shimmery shade. Okay, it's this one here, and I'm going to put this on the outer half of the inner corner of the lid, and then I'm going to use Classy and Sassy, which is this one here, on the innermost part of the lid. We're just going to mix it up with a little bit of different tones of pink. There's a lot of fallout with this eyeshadow, as you can see, like literally like has fallen off. And this is another reason why I like to apply eyeshadow first before my face, just in case anything like that happens. I'm going to take Classy and Sassy, and I'm gonna put this in the inner lid space. I'm taking Buon Fresco and I'm just going in and kind of cleaning up the lid and crease area. Next, I'm gonna be doing my highlighting on my brow bone. I use this little brush here to put it on my brow bone because it's like the perfect shape I need. And I'm using a glow kit from Anastasia, Beverly Hills in That Glow, and I'm gonna be using Pink and Gold and Bubbly. I mixed those two together for my brow bone shade. I really love a shimmery brow bone. I'm gonna put that on. Ow, I just like poked myself in the eye. Lately, I've been struggling with having confidence, and I've been struggling with my like image of like loving myself, you know? I want to make it a thing where I'm honest about those things, because I feel like I could potentially help someone else if they're struggling with something similar to me. And I think it's important to like note that like everyone kind of has those things that they're insecure about. Everyone has insecurities. There's times where people don't feel that hot and they're not like super happy with themselves, or whatever the case may be. It's really important to talk about that because it's so relevant, and like there's so many people that feel that way. I'm going to be applying liquid liner on the outer corner. I'm using NYX matte liquid liner in black. So lately I've been just doing like an outer corner wing. That, I guess long wing is in today. I am pretty sure most girls will understand the importance of hair. And if you change your hair kind of drastically, like my hair changes are always like because there's something going on in my life and I want closure with that and I want to move on to the next step in my life. So I use my hair as a way to like express myself in that way of like change, and like I'm encompassing and showing the change in my life by my hair choices. And I know not a lot of people think that deeply about their hair, but that's how I use my hair. So next is eyelashes. So the eyelashes I have been wearing are these Ardell Faux Mink lashes, 811. That's what they look like. They're really pretty. They're also $16. So I just put on my eyelashes, and I also moisturized my face and primed my face so it's ready for face makeup. Because I have some redness and some pimples on my face, I'm taking cream-based concealer, and I like to use this to cover up underneath the foundation so it's extra coverage. So I'll just put this anywhere that I have redness. The foundation that I'm using today is going to be Born This Way from Too Faced. I always use this foundation. This is my holy grail foundation, and the shade that I wear is Warm Beige. I just went through something that was really traumatic for me. So just went through something that was really traumatic to me and my self-esteem, and I got out of a situation that I needed to get out of, just for my health and my sanity. I don't want someone in my life that's going to take away from me, you know? Like I don't want someone that's gonna take me away from myself. And so I'm really happy with the people that I have in my life at the moment, and I just am really grateful for everything that has happened in my life for me to be where I'm at. But I think it's really important to kind of like sit down with yourself and ask yourself, like, what do you want out of life? Like, what do you want to do with your life? What do you want in your life? Who do you want in your life? And like, how are you gonna get there? Like, what are the next steps for you to get to that point? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna contour. Have you guys heard Kanye's new album? Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with it. I've literally been listening to it on repeat non-stop for like the whole week, basically, like 7 days straight almost. Like, love that album so much, it's so good. So one of the great things about having bangs is I don't have to put like makeup on my forehead. Actually, I just realized that I waste so much foundation on my forehead when I don't need it. Going to bake my face. I just want to remain positive, and I just want to love everyone, and I just want to be like a positive light in people's lives. And I don't want like people to remember me as being someone that did them wrong or that like wasn't nice or kind. I think that kindness goes a long way, and I think that even if I don't necessarily like a person for whatever reason, I feel like I'm still gonna be kind to them, and it's not gonna be fake. It's just like, I just don't believe being negative towards people. It takes a lot for me to be like rude or negative towards someone. I feel like I'm a pretty genuine person, and I'm really nice, and I feel like it could get taken advantage of really easily, and it does, trust me. I've found myself in so many situations where my kindness got taken advantage of because people are not nice. That's okay, like that. There's gonna be those people out there. Just remember, like, if you're really kind and you're a kind-hearted person, like, there are gonna be people out there that are gonna see that and they're gonna like that, and you know, misery loves company, and they're gonna want you to like stick around them. But just know that you're worth more than that. You deserve to not get taken advantage of by people, because that sucks, and that's a crappy thing to have to deal with by someone that clearly does not value you. So there's kind people out there. Like, there are kind people out there. There are people out there that are gonna show you that, and they're gonna give you that love and reciprocation back. And it could be relationship-wise, it could be friendship-wise. I've met so many different types of people in my life, and I've had relationships and friendships with so many, you know, different types of people in my life. Sometimes people just don't deserve you because you're such a good person. Don't let evil, mean people take advantage of you. You deserve more. You're beautiful, you're amazing, you have so much to offer in life. Don't let yourself down by continuing relationships that don't benefit you and that honestly tear you down. Like, just don't do it. Like, you deserve so much more than that. I'm gonna put lipstick on now, and I'm going to use Mauve lip liner, my favorite lipstick from MAC. So I'm using Mystery Mauve from Avon True lip liner. I don't know. This lip liner is really good. I actually really like this one. I just want to say that, like, I'm really happy right now. I was in a really dark place for a really long time, and I'm finally like at this like place of peace, and I'm at this place of just like happiness. And for a second there, like, I lost like who I was. It's probably been this way for like maybe 4 years or so. Like, I just have not felt, or not even longer than that. Oh my god, okay. Maybe like 6 years. I just have not felt myself, and I have like just like been struggling with my identity, and been struggling with allowing trash relationships in my life. So I just have been really struggling with who I am and like valuing that. I finally gotten to this point where I know who I am, and I'm really happy. Like, I'm really genuinely like so happy. Even if I'm dealing with something that's super like draining, I'm really happy. For people that struggle with like depression or anxiety, like, I'm right there with you. Like, I struggle with the exact same things. Like, it's good when you have good days and when you're feeling good to let yourself know that you're feeling good and you're happy, because those moments are so important. You need to have happy days. So my brows, like, I mean, you can see them, but like you can't really see them all too well, so like whatever. I don't fill my eyebrows in anyway because I just don't like doing it. I like my brows natural. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna blend in, or blend the eyeshadow into like the powders. I've just been remembering like how much of a fun and like happy person I am naturally, like I am, but I just like allow situations and people to ruin that and take my peace of mind away, and I'm never doing that again, and I'm not gonna let anybody take my peace of mind ever. I will continue to be happy. I will continue to just like make sure that the people that I have in my life are benefiting my happiness and not taking away my happiness. I'm gonna put this on my cheekbone as so I kind of make it thick back here, and then I go in a little bit, but I don't try to make it like compete with the bronzer that I already have. I'm using the Anastasia That Glow. There's like a bronzing highlighter in here, so that's what I use to apply onto my cheeks. So we're also gonna glow like a pro today, and I'm using the Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia, and I'm using Eclipse, which is like this like peachy color here, and it has like pink shimmery undertone, so it really looks good. Like, the dimension of like the colors look really pretty on. Could be better, could be better. I always say that about my makeup, like, oh, it could be better. I'm going to apply mascara onto the bottom lashes. I already committed, so to keep doing it. This is always like super scary for me because I feel like I'm always just getting mascara on my face, and that's not cool to clean. But I think that's the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful and beautiful day, and keep watching my videos if you guys would like to. I have a lot of fashion lookbooks that I've just recently uploaded, so go check those out. I'll put the links down in the description below, and make sure to leave some love on any of my videos. Have a great and amazing rest of your day.